que no hay control, ¿entiendes? Eso es con la brisa.
Ay, qué lindo eso.
So landing is just like let off the gas and let it cool down and come down on its own?
Right, yeah, we'll just kind of let it cool down and get down low over a field.
How do you steer, like drive?
But by the winds.
Yeah.
If you notice as we went up, the winds go in slightly different directions at different altitudes. So we use that to kind of guide the balloon into a field. It's not a perfect science, but I've been flying for 10 years and I've always landed somewhere.
Really?
So yeah.
Yeah, because
Ahora sí, ya cae.
I've been skydiving and all sorts of things, but this is probably